In our success story series, today I'm going to share with you a very powerful and magical success story of manifesting dream job and how this person has manifested her dream job after going through a lot of struggle and almost at a point she was kind of depressed and full of anxiety and she lost her job, and how she regained herself by following the law of attraction, magic of gratitude, affirmation and processes, and kept her strength and focus alive, and how magically she manifested everything. This video is definitely going to inspire all of you and help you in all areas of manifestation. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And so many of you are requesting for success stories, and on this series today it's about manifesting dream job. So before we start the story, if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be part of our awesome tribe. So today I'm sharing with you this amazing success stories, and I'm going to read it for you, how she has manifested a dream job, and she wanted us to call it the spring of magic. It is there on our website awesomeaj.com. I'll be putting the link of this story so that if you like you can read it. She requested for us to keep this anonymous because of privacy issue, so we are not going to share her name, but this story is immensely powerful, and here is the story. And she is working in Bahrain, so she is sending this story from Bahrain. So here is the story. Thank you, AJ and team. I've read so many success stories from your website, but it brings me goosebumps that now I'm going to tell my own success story. I would like to name this as Spring of Magic. Interesting name. Because my list goes on, and I'm literally get showered with magic. Let me introduce my old version first to communicate how magic came into my life. I was an outstanding student from my school days until college. I had good academic reports. I am a postgraduate in civil engineering from one of the best NIT in India. After completing my MTech, I got married like any other Indian girl and shifted to Bahrain. With an immense wish to work in an engineering firm, I sent my CV to so many companies, big and small. All got rejected in the CV stage itself due to lack of golf experience. A few interviews I appeared, they did not select me. The one company I got selected to become on the blacklist. My husband is working in a bank, and through his contacts, he also tried for an opportunity for me. I'm so grateful for his support for my dream journey. But whomever we approached, they went out of the country, or for some reasons we could not connect with them. I was very anxious, overthinking, worried about imaginative things. This continued for 1.5 years. My confidence level was decreasing. I was very much disappointed. I was depressed. I cried even without any reason. I used to be very much fond of handicrafts, painting, writing. I felt no interest in that. I felt like a bird in a golden cage. I was afraid that soon I may get it into some psychological disorder. I think most of you, when you are going through a struggling phase, you felt like this. And when you are trying and applying for that job or applying for that thing that you want to desire and it's not working, many people fall into this feeling state, and that is why I was so much interested in sharing this story. But now it's time for you to understand how everything changed. Continue her story. 6 months ago, my sister introduced me to The Secret. I availed a book and read it. It was the first time I heard about the law of attraction. I researched through all the connecting sites and came to Awesome AJ. At that time, I got a small job with a negligible salary. I joined to learn and to get experience. There in the office, I read everything related to law of attraction whenever I got free time. At that time, I joined your 28 Magical Practice course on your awesomeaj.com. I felt immensely grateful for the job I had. Whenever I stepped into the office, I imagined that it's my dream job. I acted as if I already have my dream job. I kept a notepad to note whatever things I feel grateful for each day. Whenever I get a check from there, I put two more zeros in those digits in my mind and I felt immense thanks for the money. This is the most interesting part. Whenever she was getting a salary check, in her mind she was putting two more zeros. So she was imagining a bigger salary. And that is the best part and being grateful for it. And I want all of you to do it no matter what salary you are getting. Let's continue. Whenever I left the track, Awesome Age's regular emails kept motivating me. One day I got dream job affirmations on your website. I started practicing it daily. Within a week, some hurricanes happened inside the office. Office politics was at its peak and my boss resigned. This company also got blacklisted by the government. My visa was not changed then. My salary was also due for few months. I had to quit my job in that scenario. I did it with a pleasure. I knew that something great was coming to me. Though she was very grateful, but that small job was lost. But because of her positivity, she was in a positive flow, and that is the magical part. Back to the story. Again, job hunt started, but this time I did it with confidence and happiness. First, I applied to my dream companies. I kept on feeding my soul with books, positive affirmations, songs, meditation, success stories. 1.5 months passed. I realized that I am not preparing well to have my dream job. So this is going to be the inspired action part. Soon I bought dresses for wearing in my dream job, managed my family life and house work to meet my work timing, stick notes on the kitchen carrying affirmations, all set. One night I went to sleep with my headphones listening to your dream job affirmations. The next morning I wake up with a call from Al Jazeera Engineering, one of my dream company. They told me that they would inform my interview timing soon. But I didn't get that call for a few weeks. I kept on doing the affirmation, prayer, reading books, etc. Suddenly everything changed. My previous boss called Al Jazeera's general manager and interview date for me was fixed. And now it is my 4th day at Al Jazeera. And this mail is from my office. Amazing. This is awesome, magical manifestation. I have now a double salary, better position, and magic is not stopping here. Scrolling through my previous mails, I could realize that this is the company I had applied 2 years ago. This is the company my husband's friend recommended to him just because my current MD is his friend. The most exciting thing is only coming. I have done one Al Jazeera's project in my previous job, and that was the first reference project I got in my hand. It is really a dream come true moment. Beside my small materialistic desires got fulfilled, each day now I am looking forward to more magic. I would like to tell all those people who are experiencing like I did before, never lose hope. Get motivated daily. Believe in the law of attraction. Believe in the magic. Keep practicing gratitude. Keep learning. Keep transforming yourself. Your magic is coming. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is one of my all-time favorite story. I love this story and I love to share this story. This is truly spring of magic. And this story has everything. She went through all the depression, she went through all the negativities, and then when she started changing everything, she got a small job, but that small job did not work out. But when she lost that small job, she was absolutely peaceful, positive, and focused, because by then her vibration was strong, her belief was absolutely strong, her focus was only on the dream job. And then she took all the inspired action, get it into the flow, get it into the mode of already working in the dream job when she was not yet working in the job. And she did everything, affirmation, gratitude, visualization, process, prayer, everything to stay positive, stay focused. And She manifested the most amazing dream job she always wanted, with higher salary, with better position, with better facilities and everything, and magic is flowing every single day. I want all of you to understand from this story and apply it in your life, no matter what you are manifesting. If you are manifesting your dream job, this is the best story for you. Like it and let me know right now how you are feeling after listening to this story in the comment section. How excited you are, how inspired you are, and if you are ready for your spring of magic in all areas of life. If you are ready, let me know in the comment section right now. And no matter what you are manifesting, this is the best part. This is the part when you work on yourself, when you believe, when you focus, you can come out of all kind of depression, all kind of negativities, and then you invest time, energy, focus in your transformation and the manifestation, and then you can definitely manifest it. If you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes like she has learned and practice magic of gratitude, I would highly recommend you to join our 28 magical practice program, which is immensely transformational and powerful and help you practice and infuse magic of gratitude in all areas of life. You can check the link in the description section. And if this video has inspired you, like it, share it with someone you love. If you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and be a part of our awesome tribe. If you want more success stories like this, more awesome stories like this, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll be sharing more stories with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ.